Good morning, students. 10th standard Science, Chapter 13, Structural Organization of Animals, page 189. Topic: Locomotion. Now, let us start with locomotion of leech. Leech locomotion takes place by two ways. One is looping or crawling movement, and another one is swimming movement. Looping movement is brought about by contraction and relaxation of muscles. Looping movement is brought about by contraction and relaxation of muscles. That is, contraction of circular muscle and relaxation of longitudinal muscle. Anterior part of the body extended forward as far as possible. Okay, anterior part of the body extended forward, and then anterior sucker is attached to the substratum, that is bottom or floor. Okay, anterior sucker is attached to the substratum and posterior part move forward to the anterior sucker. So the middle portion is up in movement. So it looks like a loop. Okay, that is a looping movement. Next one is swimming movement. Leech swims very actively and perform undulating movement. Undulating means seamless or wave-like movement that act to propel their leech move forward. Okay, propel the leech forward, that is moving. Okay. Next, move on to the topic digestive system. The digestive system, it includes long alimentary canal and digestive glands. First, we will see alimentary canal. So, the alimentary canal of leech is a straight tube. It starts from mouth and ends in anus. Mouth is a triradiate aperture. It is situated in the center of the anterior sucker. Triradiate, that is, tri means three. That is, the mouth is guarded by three lips. That is, presence of three jaws. Okay, so that is a capital Y shape. Okay, it's look like a capital Y shape. So the triradiate mouth, it leads to the triradiate mouth. It leads to buccal cavity, small buccal cavity. So the wall of buccal cavity bears three jaws. That is Y-shaped jaw with a single row of minute teeth. Okay, single row of minute teeth. The jaws are provided with papillae. Okay, the jaws are provided with papillae, which bears the opening of salivary gland. Mouth and buccal cavity occupy first 5 segments. Okay, mouth and buccal cavity occupy first 5 segments. So the buccal cavity leads into muscular pharynx. The muscular pharynx occupy 5 to 7th segment. The pharynx is surrounded by salivary glands. The saliva contains a substance that is called as hirudin. So the hirudin prevent the clotting of blood of the host during sucking. Okay. So the pharynx opens into short narrow tube called as esophagus. Okay, which open into the crop. Esophagus open into the crop. Crop is the largest portion of alimentary canal. It extended from 9th to 18th segment. It consists of 10 chambers. So the chambers are communicate with one another. ஒரு chamber இன்னொரு chamber ஓட connect ஆயிருக்கும். That is communicate with one another through circular apertures surrounded by sphincter muscles. So each chamber is produced into two lateral diverticula or ceca. Okay, two chambers. Each chamber is produced into two lateral diverticula or ceca. So the crop and its diverticula can store large amount of blood which can be slowly digested. The crop acts as a blood storage organ. The crop acts as a blood storage organ of leech. The last chamber of crop is open into stomach. So it is present in the 19th segment. Okay. So the stomach open into the intestine and intestine opens into the rectum, that is a straight and narrow tube from the intestine occupy 20th to 22nd segment, and then intestine opens into the rectum occupy 22nd to 26th segment, and then the rectum open into the exterior by anus. So anus is a very small opening present on the dorsal side of the 26th segment. Okay. Now just see the picture. Digestive system of leech. Okay. That is presence of jaws. Okay. This starts from mouth and then jaws. Then jaws, it leads to a small buccal cavity, and then buccal cavity leads to a pharynx. Pharynx is surrounded by that is salivary glands. Okay. Pharynx is surrounded by salivary glands, and then pharynx opens into the esophagus, and then esophagus open into the crop. Okay. There is a crop chambers. This is a crop chambers. Okay. So there is a blood storage organ of leech. Okay. So crop, there is lateral portion of the crop, there is a protrusion, that is lateral side of the protrusion, that is called as crop diverticula or crop ceca. Okay, that is cecum or diverticula. Then the last chamber of the crop opens into the stomach. Okay, it opens into the stomach, and then stomach opens into a narrow straight tube, that is called as intestine, and then intestine opens into a rectum, and then rectum open out through anus. Okay, that is the dorsal portion of the animal. Okay, that is the 26th segment. Okay, so this is the digestive system of leech. Okay, next food feeding and digestion. Okay, food feeding and digestion. So the leech feeds by sucking the blood of cattle and other domestic animals. During feeding, the leech attaches itself to its host strongly by the posterior sucker. Then the leech makes a triradiate or Y-shaped wound or incision. That is, incision means that is wound, kayam. Okay, that is in the skin of the host by the jaws protruded through the mouth. Okay, when they suck the blood of the host, the jaws are protruded out through the mouth. Clear? So the blood is sucked by the muscular pharynx and salivary secretion is poured. Okay, the blood is sucked by the muscular pharynx and salivary secretion is poured. The salivary secretion contain a substance that is called as hirudin, which prevent the host blood to coagulate. That is to prevent blood clotting. Okay, so the hirudin acts as an anesthetic substance. Okay, anesthetic means எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, that is மயக்க மருந்து அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is anesthetic substance. It is used in medical field. Okay, so that is the hirudin act as a anesthetic substance. Okay, that is to prevent the host from feeling their bite. So அந்த லீச் போயிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், இந்த ஹோஸ்ட்டை கடிக்கும்போது அதோட ஃபீலிங் வந்து அந்த கடிக்கிற வலி ஹோஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்து தெரியக்கூடாது அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணுது, தே ரிலீஸ் அ அனஸ்தட்டிக் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஹிருடின் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் த சலைவரி செக்ரீஷன், சலைவா கண்டெய்ன் ஹிருடின், தட் இஸ் அ சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த ஹிருடின் டு ப்ரீவெண்ட் த பிளட் கிளாட்டிங். ஸோ அந்த ஹிருடின் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், பிளட் வந்து கிளாட் ஆகாமல் ப்ரிவெண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். தட் இஸ் கண்டினியூவஸ் சப்ளை, அந்த லீச்சுக்கு கண்டினியூவஸாக ஹோஸ்ட்டுக்கிட்டேருந்து பிளட் சப்ளை ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் டு ப்ரிவெண்ட் த பிளட் கிளாட்டிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் த இன்ஜெஸ்டட் பிளட் இஸ் ஸ்டோர்ட் இன் த கிராப் சேம்பர்ஸ் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் டைவர்டிகுலம். ஓகே, So the blood passes to drop by drop into the stomach. Okay, the stored blood, already the ingested blood means the leech sucks the blood, that is called as the ingested blood. Okay, so the ingested blood passes to drop by drop into the stomach. Digestion takes place in stomach by the action of proteolytic enzyme. Okay, so the digested blood is slowly absorbed by the intestine. The undigested food is stored in rectum and eliminated through anus. Okay, eliminated through anus. And then segmentation of leach, that is external and internal features, and then segments in which the structures are present. Okay, so total number of segments, the total body segments 33 segments. Okay, total number of segments are 33. Okay, anterior sucker, mouth and eyes are located in the first 5 segments, 1 to 5th segment. Okay, posterior sucker. Okay, posterior sucker is occupied by the last 7 segments. Okay, last 7 segments, that is 27th to 33 segment. Okay, and then pharynx occupy 5th to 8th segment. Okay, that is the pharynx. Okay, next crop occupy 9 to 18th segment, that is total number 10 chambers. Okay, 9 to 18 chambers. And then stomach occupy 19th segment. Okay, and then intestine occupy 20 to 22nd segment. Okay, so that is wrongly printed. Intestine 10 to 22nd, that is wrong, so you have to change 20 to 22nd segment. Okay, intestine occupy 20 to 22nd segments. And then rectum 23rd to 26th segment. Okay, rectum occupy 23 to 26th segment. And then anus is present on 26th segment. Okay, that is dorsal portion of the animal, that is 26th segment. And then nephridiopore, it is occupied by 6th to 22nd segments. Okay, that is 17 pairs of nephridiopore. Okay, 17 pairs of nephridiopore. And then male genital aperture. Okay, that is male genital opening, that is present in 10th segment. And then female genital aperture is present in 11th segment. Okay, so the remaining topic we will discuss in our next video. Thank you, students.